Hello, this is Ted for OAXRAY, and today we're going to talk about how you can squeeze out an additional 10 to 20% of profit on items that you sell at many of the different retailers. And this is above and beyond Ebates and Raise.com. So I love eBay. It's one of my favorite places to shop other than Amazon.com. I don't like to sell on it too much, but there are definitely advantages to using it. And today I want to talk about one of the biggest advantages to using eBay, and that is type in whatever store you would like to go to and put coupon after it. So here I am at Lowe's coupon. And what do I see? First thing that pops up, $20 off a $100 purchase. So this is 20% off of your purchase. Of course, you have to pay a few bucks for it, so it's going to be a little bit less. But if you're purchasing items consistently from certain stores, it would be worth it to purchase some of these, to get some of these if you can find out how they get them. Maybe it's in the newspaper. Some of these look like they're just clipped, and use these along with your purchase. So this is actually going to increase your margin on this item considerably, considering you're getting 20% off. Then you use a site like Ebates. You use your 1% cash back, which is I've seen up to 6%. And then you use Raise.com and get that additional percentage off. I've seen Lowe's all the way up to 10%. So right now, if you purchased all of these three in order, you'd get about 25% off. While today it looks like it's about 25% off, some other days you'll notice that by stacking all these three coupons, you can get over 30% off all your purchases. And this is one of the reasons that whenever I see someone say, someone undercut me, I know what they're paying for it, I paid X, so they must be paying the same price. This is why you don't know, because you don't know how good they are at coupon stacking. You don't know if they're using Ebates, if they're using Raise. Maybe they got these locally for even cheaper. So one of the things that people in my area do is if you go to Craigslist, there's all kinds of ads of people actually purchasing gift cards for a discount, and then they either resell them or they use them for their online arbitrage. Now, there's other stores. One of my favorite ones to tell people about is K Jewelers. I know a lot of people may not be able to sell different items, but they actually have an awesome coupon that's almost always available, and it is these instant reward things right here. And what they do is they allow you to pay for a third of your purchase in these little coupons, and it's going to save you a ton of money. So be creative. Check out which stores might have something like this. At K Jeweler, they have this little coupon instant reward thing going on. At Lowe's, they have the 20% off. Other places, they might have their own kind of currency that they use, whether it's Toys R Us has their Toys R Us bucks, I believe they're called, and different stores will have different kind of currencies they use. You can often get them super cheap on eBay. Sometimes you have to pay a little bit more, so it's going to be up to you. But you have to figure out a way to squeeze out every single penny off of each transaction. If you can make an additional 20% more than your competition is making, then that makes you have the ability to lower your price a little bit, or just for you to stay at the same price and have higher margins, be able to sell less items. Personally, I would prefer to make more money per units and sell less units than to run around trying to do considerably more volume to make the same amount of profit. So I want everybody to look around and find creative ways to make more money on Amazon. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Make some money using OAXRAY.
Please like and subscribe. And if you have a question about Amazon, put a comment down below and I'll make a video about it as soon as I can.